the distinguished gathering. I would really stick to words, and I would like to say that power we always remember when you don't have the power. That goes for all kinds of power. Not only electrical power, that goes for all kinds of power. But at least in this state, if we really have an honest kind of opinion, you yourself will know, and it can be documentarily proved, Central Electricity Authority data is there, CERC data is there, that the percentage satisfaction wise, we may not be 100%, but we are still better than many others who were the best a few years before. I would not like to name other states. That one of the causes for Commissioner Industry and all to say that there is good infusion of industrial capital has been the generally perceived scenario of a better power. The challenge is how to retain it, number one. Number two, because I see some interesting questions on dedicated feeder. Now, when I was Commissioner Industry and all, we used to fight for dedicated feeder. The industries must get dedicated feeder. Out there should be 182 industrial dedicated feeder. Next fortnight, it should be 183 dedicated feeder. But when I came to power, I realized that dedicated feeder is being used to see that dedicated power cut takes place. No, I am being very, very serious. So the challenge is that the incentivization that we do by an infrastructural facility is not allowed to be misused for a purpose which was never the purpose of giving the feeder in the first place. There are models. I would not like to bore you with statistics that we are the second largest generating station. We have huge number of generating stations coming up. The state generator is going to add around 2000 megawatt during this year. We are one of the states, if there are generators around, we have never imposed Section 11. Whereas we had been the victim of imposition of Section 11. Section 11 means you force a generator not to honor its commitment to its buyer. You force it like an Essential Commodities Act. You take the power and take it to your own state. This is one of the states which has never imposed Section 11 for that particular purpose. So we had been, despite lot of provocation, despite lot of problems, despite being the victims of such application of law, we have never imposed those sections and never done anything to thwart the open access that our generators enjoy here.